So it's Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, giving you an update and a positive one at that, because on Saturday I finished the final mosaic. So let me just show you what it looks like. So I spent about 5 hours until about 2 o'clock. So it was about 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock. Go figure. And I'm really pleased with it. It was a hard slog, really, just infilling the last bits of the sky to get it done. But I'm pleased with it because things have moved on. More about that in a second. Just wanted to show you the background to the lighthouse. I'm really pleased with that because these are lovely pieces of glass bits. Now the glass bits I got in a charity shop, and it's one of those things that you'd find to dress the base of a pot for flower arranging and things like that. But it's pure glass, broken glass. And I got a browny orangey one as well. And they're perfect because they're flat and they glue really well and they grout perfectly. I used them at the Cosley railway station project as well. So, and then I used proper old school vitreous glass. And they've got a lovely gold tint to it as well, which makes perfect image of the sea from a distance as well. So it's a lovely background to the lighthouse. So this is what the work looks like, and I'm really pleased with it. I'm really happy with how the outcome is, you know, with the green background as well. Decided to just go with one tile because there was so much variety of textures that it worked really well. Look, a little mouse there. I put a little bit of a detail to her eye, but as this is going to be on a gradient lean, this isn't going to be upright like it is. It's going to be almost at an angle from the floor, like a slice of cake sort of thing. But you'll be seeing that soon enough. More about that in a second again. So this is the fox, Mr. Foxy Loxy. I've put the two sections down there because I don't want it leaning on a lean-to. I don't want it fallen. So I just thought I'd show you Foxy Loxy again to remind you that it's two massive 10 foot by 5 foot approximately, accurately 300 centimetres by 163, and yeah, all looking well. Now it's Monday. I'm intending to start grouting soon as, in a minute in fact, with me Ultracolour Plus 144 chocolate. I've got 4 bags of 5 kilos and then 2 bags of 2 kilos. Now I'm going to get some more, obviously, but I'll see how far that goes. Yeah, because I'm going to be installing with my friend Phil, who's a builder, next week on Tuesday the 6th of May. So the next filmette should be on that day. So this is what the work looks like so far. And I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to put these gorgeousness into the hallway. I'm going to take 3 tables out and start grouting. So it's Caroline Jerryweiler, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.